Hi, this is Utkarsh Bhargav and welcome to another amazing episode of Daily Market Analysis here at Roaring Bulls. Now, Friday's trading session was amazing. 4 दिन लगातार losing streak Nifty की रही थी, but Friday के trading session में Nifty definitely ended in green, and the main contribution to this factor is given by ICICI Bank and Reliance that helped save Nifty on Friday's trading session. So after taking support at 15,635, Nifty actually had a strong reversal back upwards, and ICICI Bank, if we talk about ICICI Bank ने 1.5% का up move दिया है, and this alone pushed Bank Nifty by 110 points. So overall Bank Nifty के अंदर जितना ही momentum आया उसमें से 110 points का contribution सिर्फ ICICI Bank के कारण था. After that, if you see, Bank Nifty ended with a gain of just 125 points. So Bank Nifty and Nifty both were like mildly bullish, not extremely bullish, but yes, both of them ended in green on Friday's trading session. And if you see, metals were the top losing sector, I believe, because metals, everything from Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, SAIL, almost all major metal stocks actually fell in the day on Friday's trading session. And mostly the support for Nifty was definitely given by Reliance and ICICI Bank. We can definitely see that. And now Nifty has been trading in a very small range from past few trading sessions, and in past complete week, if we can say, एक छोटी रेंज के अंदर निफ्टी ने ट्रेड किया है ज्यादातर वक्त. और हो सकता है इस वजह से, हो सकता है after this consolidation we might see a good move upwards in Nifty, back again a good move in Nifty, because Nifty has a strong support. If you see, Nifty is a strong support around 15,650, 15,670 जोन के आसपास एक अच्छा सपोर्ट है, और यहां से निफ्टी के ऊपर जाने के चांसेस अच्छे हैं. मैं आपके साथ चार्ट्स पे भी ये सारे सपोर्ट जोन्स को डिस्कस करूंगा. और इसके अलावा अगर आप देखेंगे तो मोस्ट ऑफ द आईटी स्टॉक्स are going to come up with their quarter 2 results very soon, and these results will be something that we have to keep an eye on, because we might actually see good momentum in the IT sector and the stocks that are going to declare the results for the quarter 2. So other than that, a lot of stocks, it was amazing to see. We at the Millionaire Trader Club regularly trade in equity setups. हम अपने scanners, customer scanners हमने जो बनाए हैं, उनके बेस पे stocks को filter out करते हैं. Takes less than 5 seconds to filter out any sort of stock that come into our scanner, and we trade based on those scanners only, because out of so many stocks that are listed on the exchange, how do we find कि कौन से stock में opportunity आ रही है trade करने की? So that's where our scanner comes in. So we have made almost 5 different set of scanners. One scanner is based on volume, another one is based on the previous day high and the low, and another one is based on the moving averages crossover, and a lot of things we have done in our scanners and combined the whole setup to create the best in class scanner that can give us immediately good results, including the NR7 scanner. So a lot of good stocks came into our scanner, and last trading session was amazingly well, especially for me, because I've been trading into equity a lot, and I've decided to trade in equity for the next 6 months to see the kind of results the scanners can give. And the TMT club members had a great day in the equity setups as well. If you don't know what the TMT club members are, TMT is basically the Millionaire Trader Club, and it's an exclusive club of members where we share common trading ideas, where we share, every weekend we have a masterclass for the members with all details of price action, technical analysis, option buying strategies, option selling strategies, risk to reward ratios, position size management, everything. We have a blueprint for so many things for the Millionaire Trader Club members. So just in case if you are not one of the Millionaire Trader Club member, link is in the description below. I would want you to become a part of the Millionaire Trader Club. It's a 3-month access to the Discord community, and you'll have chance to attend every single masterclass 3 times, minimum 3 times. So you'll have a chance to attend 24 masterclass sessions, and it will be amazing. You will learn so much, because as I keep saying that you have to stop your dependency on Telegram tips, and you have to empower yourself. If you think you are going to trade in the stock market for long term, this is the only solution. Telegram tips or WhatsApp tips, it's not the solution. You have to empower yourself with the right kind of knowledge, and that's what we do at Roaring Bulls. That's what we do at the Millionaire Trader Club. We empower you with the right set of skills, the right set of discipline, and the right set of psychology to trade in the right ways. So consider becoming a part of the Millionaire Trader Club. It's a great experience out there. So Let me tell you which stocks came into our scanner and they performed so well. So Tata Chemical, Tata Consumer, UPL, Trent, Divis Lab, every single of these stock gave us huge momentum in the Friday's trading session, and we booked good profits in these stocks that came into our customer scanner. So other than that, let me actually, I'll give you a small look into the Discord community as well, where we share our common trading ideas and where we have live support of members as well as mentors with each other. So journey of trading does not feel so lonely when you are at the Millionaire Trader Club. It becomes much more easy. You become much more confident. So it's a great place to be. So with that being said, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this amazing channel called Roaring Bulls, because you are going to love the content that we publish every single day for you. आपके लिए हर रोज पूरे डेडिकेशन के साथ ये कंटेंट लाया जाता है ताकि आप ट्रेडिंग की दुनिया में बेहतर तरीके से अपने आप को प्लेस कर सकें, ताकि आप बेहतर नॉलेज के साथ ट्रेड कर सकें. आई नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ यूट्यूब चैनल्स हु विच पोस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ गुड कंटेंट आउट देयर. सो आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट एनी ऑफ द यूट्यूब चैनल इज बैड और गुड. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट you have to make sure that you follow people who are genuinely there to teach you or to tell you that trading is not easy, my friend. Trading is a business. Trading takes time, effort and discipline. बहुत से लोग आपको बड़ा बड़ा MTM दिखा देंगे, बड़ा बड़ा प्रॉफिट्स दिखा देंगे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, यूट्यूब पे, जगह जगह पे शेयर कर देंगे, एक दिन के अंदर लाखों रुपए बना लेंगे, 10 मिनट के अंदर 10 लाख रुपए बना लेंगे, इस तरीके की चीजें. डू यू ट्रूली बिलीव दीज काइंड ऑफ पीपल actually make this kind of money every single day? No, that is not possible, because if they are doing this, I don't think they have any need to be on YouTube, or they have any need to even work for anything. अगर आप कर ही सकते हो 10-10 मिनट में 10 लाख रुपए का इनकम, तो आप क्यों ही इतनी मेहनत करोगे? Okay, right? So expect realistic returns from the market. 4 to 5% a week is a very good return that you can expect from the market, and that's what we do at the Millionaire Trader Club. We teach people how to generate those kind of returns with patience and with discipline, especially with the strategies that we build for option buying or option selling. So it's a great place to be, and I hope you have subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to hit that bell notification icon. Let's move ahead in the video. We'll discuss and analyze everything that happened on the Friday's trading session and what are the possibilities for a Monday's trading session, that is tomorrow. We'll discuss and analyze everything, and you are going to love the analysis. Just make sure that you mark down the levels, or at least take a screenshot of the levels so that you can mark them on your charts and make better trading decisions on Monday's trading session. So this is your friend Krish Bhargav. Keep watching the video till the very end. I have so many things for you in the video lined up. So keep watching the video till the very end, my friend. You are watching Roaring Bulls, the stock market show. Okay, so let me actually quickly give you a small, look into our community. And if you see here, we have a Discord community right here for you. And if you see here, this is our section that we had posted on Friday's trading session. So can you see that? One second, let me actually show you. This is our equity watchlist section. So we posted all our trading ideas in the equity watchlist section from Divis Lab. Can you see that? There's Tata Power, then there's VEDL, and then there's Mindtree, then there's Trent, then there's Cummins, and then there Trent started giving us good momentum. It came into a buying level, and I'll actually show you what happened with Trent after that. So there was UPL. So here is this traders cockpit zone. Basically is the zone where we post levels for Nifty, BankNifty, swing trade setups, equity setups, and we have daily analysis right over here. So it's a great place to be. And if you see, there's a daily P&L section, and a lot of stocks came into our buying level. So a lot of members actually made good profits. So Divis Lab gave us good target. After Divis Lab, we can see we had Trent came into our buying level and started giving us good profits. And after that, there was Tata Consumer, completely gave us great momentum from 761 to 766. You can see that, I believe, right here. Okay, and after Tata Consumer, we do have Tata Chemicals. Wow, what an amazing momentum in Tata Chemicals. Can you see it from 729 to 754? The whole momentum was captured, and it was amazing. Tata Chemical, I even posted Tata Chemical in the pre-market post that was open for everyone. And after that, there was Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also actually gave us good momentum from 34,800 to 34,900, but after that it started falling. So we booked almost half quantity, since you can see that there was a resistance over here at 34,900 zone. Okay, so that is how it was. And after that, क्या था उसके बाद? UPL had such a good move. It surpassed our expected targets, and it was amazing in UPL as well. So it was all great over there. And so this is the TMT club, and we are learning a lot over here. So this is the discussions by all the precious members, and it's so amazing to see that people are learning so much and growing so much. So that is actually great. Okay, so now let's jump onto the analysis section. So there, these are all the stocks that I just showed you. So I don't think I'll be discussing these stocks again. So can you see that on daily time frame also it has completely given us the target? And then there was Divis Lab. So Divis Lab also gave us the targets. Can you see that? Yeah, exactly. Divis Lab also gave us the targets. Canara Bank was there, I believe. No, Canara Bank is in our watch list for tomorrow's trading session. So let me actually remove all the previous NR7 watchlist participant stocks over here. So yes, let me remove them. So here is a fresh watchlist for all of you that is generated through the NR7 custom scanner that we have for our TMT club members. So this is open for all. Okay, these 5 stocks I always share on day-to-day basis. So Canara Bank is there. You have to mark important levels in Canara Bank. So as I can see, there's an important support zone right over here. So what you have to do is you just have to mark this support zone over here, and you have to see Canara Bank can actually come down and take support in this level if the stock comes down. And on the upside, all you have to do is watch for a good momentum above the resistance level. So let me just actually mark the resistance level for you. If this resistance level is taken out, you might actually see good momentum on the upside. So this is the institutional resistance area, and all you have to do is watch out for this institutional resistance breakout. If this breakout comes, तो आपको एक अच्छा मोमेंटम ऊपर की ओर मिल सकता है. So we can build a good long position over here in Canara Bank. Okay, so this is the kind of position that we can easily build in Canara Bank. And let me actually see the pivot resistance over here. So yes, okay, so this is the kind of position that we might actually build in Canara Bank. Okay, so that's a pretty good position. After that, we have Biocon with us. So Biocon has actually a good resistance right above here. So let me actually again mark the important resistance area in Biocon. So yes, let me actually mark the resistance area. Yes, this is a good resistance area in Biocon. So once this resistance is taken out, okay, आपको इस लेवल पे ध्यान रखना है. जैसे ही रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेकआउट होता है Biocon में, आप इजीली लॉन्ग पोजीशन बना सकते हैं और आपका टारगेट होना चाहिए 440 के आसपास तक का. So let me actually mark a good a long position target for you. So you can easily build a position like this in Biocon, keeping a small stop loss just below our support level, because 415 will actually turn into a support if this level breaks out. Okay, so this will turn into a support, so you can keep a watch on Biocon Limited. Okay, after that you have Rec Limited. So Rec is actually there at a good support area. Okay, can you see that? It's at a good support area. It's an institutional support area. Now the point is, अगर ये support breakdown होता है, अगर ये सपोर्ट ब्रेकडाउन होता है, तो आपको नीचे की ओर 128 तक का मोमेंटम नीचे की ओर मिल सकता है. ओके, दैट इज वन पॉसिबल सिनेरियो. सो एक्चुअली देयर आर टू पॉसिबल सिनेरियोज इन रेक, एंड लेट मी शो यू. दिस विल बी योर बाइंग लेवल. इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गो लॉन्ग, आप इसके बाद ही अपनी लॉन्ग पोजिशन बनाएंगे, कीपिंग योर दिस थिंग स्टॉप लॉस बिलो योर पाइवेट लेवल ऑन द डेली टाइम फ्रेम. एंड वी आर वॉचिंग एवरीथिंग ऑन द डेली टाइम फ्रेम एज ऑफ नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक इन टर्म्स ऑफ NR7 stocks. And if we talk in terms of a selling level, let me actually mark a selling level for you. So your selling level should be below this area. Okay, your selling should be below this area. If this area is crossed, then you might actually sell for this target in rec. Okay, so these are the potential levels for rec. You can mark them out. And then there's Z Entertainment. Z Entertainment is again at a very strong support zone. So what I sense here is that if it decides to move back up from the support, it's kind of a flag and pole pattern. Can you see that? It's kind of flag and pole pattern, not an exactly flag and pole, but on a daily time frame, it's sort of a flag and pole pattern. Let me actually mark the pattern for you. So let me just draw the pattern, that would become much easier. So can you see that it's actually traveling in a channel over here, and it is again traveling in a channel over here. So if Z Entertainment decides to break out, then we might have a good momentum on upside. So let me just create a long position over here. We can have a good long position after 223. ये level का breakout होने के बाद हमें यहाँ तक का target easily मिल सकता है. So we can keep our stop loss as per 1:1 reward ratio. This can be our good stop loss, and this can be our target on daily time frame. So we have to wait and watch when this level breaks out. So this can be actually a good target in a Z. Okay, so let me remove the drawings from here. Okay, yeah, much better. Fine. So after Z, we have the last one, and that is Cadila Healthcare. And in Cadila, can you see that Cadila is also on like fairly decent support area? So this is a support area for Cadila Healthcare. Can you see that? 634, and upside there is a resistance at 660 to 670 zone. So अगर 660 670 zone breakout होता है, उसके बाद ही हमको अपनी long position बनानी है. So let me actually create a long position position for you. So this can be a good long position in Cadila Healthcare. So your stop loss would be here, and your target can easily be placed at least for this level. So this is the kind of position you should have in Cadila Healthcare. It can be a good position if you look at this. Okay, so that's perfectly fine. So these are all the stocks that we had. UPL I have shown you, Tata Chemicals I have shown you, Tata Consumer I have shown you. All these stocks gave us good momentum in the last trading session. Now एक जबरदस्त चीज देखने की ये है India VIX. India VIX is right now trading at 12. That is a very, very low VIX. That means that the markets are pretty stable and very less volatile. And if you'll go and look at the option chain data actually suggests that 15,700 has good good positions, and 15,700 can actually turn into a support if Nifty actually decides to stay here for a while. 15,700 can actually become a good support area. So let's discuss about Nifty now. Nifty के लिए हमारे ट्रेडिंग लेवल्स क्या रहेंगे? ओके, सो हियर आर ऑल द पॉसिबल ट्रेडिंग लेवल्स फॉर निफ्टी. सो लेट मी एक्चुअली hide these levels so that the chart becomes much more clear. Okay, now the levels are much more clear. So on a daily time frame, we can see that Nifty has given us a bullish sort of close, and 15,600 से 15,700 का जो जोन यहाँ दिख रहा है, मैंने आपके लिए मार्क कर रखा है. दिस जोन इज एक्चुअली अ गुड सपोर्ट एरिया. सो मार्क दिस जोन एज अ गुड सपोर्ट एरिया. एंड if you want to build a long position in Nifty, what can be the possible scenario? So let me actually see a 5-minute chart for this thing, and on the 5-minute time frame, we can see that Nifty has tried to cross this resistance of 15,729. Can you see that here? So if this resistance is taken out, we might actually see a good move on the upside in Nifty. कल के लिए आपका जो ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल होना चाहिए निफ्टी के अंदर, वो क्या होना चाहिए? सो लेट मी रिमूव अ फ्यू इंडिकेटर्स फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, मच बेटर. सो कल के लिए आपके इंपॉर्टेंट ट्रेडिंग लेवल्स क्या रहेंगे? यू हैव टू मार्क दिस प्रीवियस डे हाई एज अ गुड सपोर्ट एरिया फॉर निफ्टी. अगर कल गैप अप ओपनिंग मिलती है इन केस, तो ये जो 15,720 का जो लेवल है, 15,729 का एक अच्छा सपोर्ट हो सकता है, और यहां से आप अपनी एक लॉन्ग पोजीशन होपफुली क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज दिस 1560 जोन इज एक्चुअली अ गुड already a good support area. Can you see Nifty took a bounce from this zone? Okay, so this is actually a very good support area for Nifty 50 index. Let me actually mark the mark the long position. Now this can be a long position for Nifty 50 index in the next trading session. You have to wait and watch and see a confirmation. If this confirmation comes, you can actually build a long position in Nifty, at least for this level. I think you can easily build a long position at least for this level, so you can have these 33-40 points of momentum in Nifty 50 index. That is a possibility over here, because the larger resistance is actually standing at 15,809. So Nifty can maybe give a good move on the upside, and we might actually achieve this target. That is a possible scenario for Nifty 50 index. Let's jump to the Bank Nifty index. Bank Nifty index के अंदर लास्ट देखिए, निफ्टी के अंदर अगर आप लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन देखेंगे, तो कहीं ना कहीं सपोर्ट लेने के बाद निफ्टी में एक अच्छा मूव आया ऊपर की ओर, टेकिंग अ सपोर्ट फ्रॉम 15,640. अच्छा खासा अपवर्ड मूव आया, सपोर्टेड बाय आईसीआईसीआई एंड रिलायंस. बट Again, Nifty did manage to close around almost the levels of previous day high के आसपास जाके ही close हुआ है Nifty. If you can see that, and there's a good resistance area over here. Now, अगर कल Nifty इस level को sustain करता है, then we might actually see good momentum on the upside, at least till 15,809. That is a possibility. Okay. Now, let me switch to Bank Nifty now. Bank Nifty की बात करते हैं. Bank Nifty के अंदर आप ये देख सकते हैं जो हमारा लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन था उसके अंदर हमने जो टारगेट लिया था बैंक निफ्टी के लिए, दैट द टारगेट वाज 35,093, बट वहां तक बैंक निफ्टी पहुंच नहीं पाया और बीच में हमको अपना प्रॉफिट बुक करना पड़ा जब 34,800 से 34,900 की जर्नी ने बैंक निफ्टी ने ट्रैवल करा. ओके, सो व्हाट कैन हैपन इन द नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन, दैट शुड बी योर क्वेश्चन, राइट? सो लेट मी एक्चुअली remove the whole much better. Now, the important trading levels for Bank Nifty, that support is definitely standing in this zone. Let me extend the support line over here. 34,700 एक अच्छा support है Bank Nifty index के लिए और ये level जो है ये एक अच्छा resistance area है Bank Nifty के लिए. Can you see that? There is a good resistance area. हमको क्या अपनी long position बनानी है? बिल्कुल बनानी है, पर कब बनानी है? That's an important question. So you will create your long position on breakout of 34,900. ओके, 34,950 के ऊपर अपनी लॉन्ग पोजीशन बनाएंगे तो सबसे अच्छा मोमेंटम कैप्चर करने के हमारे पास चांसेस रहेंगे. सो this can actually be a good long position target for us. Okay, this can actually be a good long position target for us, so you have to wait and watch. अगर गैप अप खुलता है तो हो सकता है आपको यहां तक का टारगेट भी मिल जाए. That is a possible scenario because there's a mild resistance in between. Mark this area. This is a mild resistance area, so you have to mark this important area of 35,100 level. Okay, so this is the possibility of Bank Nifty's trading session in the next on Monday itself. Okay, so these are two important support levels, 34,600 and 34,700, and 34,947, 950 is a good resistance area. Then the next resistance will come here at 35,090 to 35,118, and after that the next resistance will come in here. Okay, so you have to mark this target level is the next resistance 35,254. आप इस तरीके का ट्रेडिंग स्टाइल अपना बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्स के लिए नेक्स्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन के अंदर रख सकते हैं. ओके, सो दीज आर ऑल द पॉसिबल लेवल्स फॉर द बैंक निफ्टी इंडेक्स. सो आई होप आपको ये सभी लेवल्स क्लियर हुए होंगे एंड आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड व्हाई दी सप्लाई एंड डिमांड जोन्स एक्चुअली वर्क. And if you want to deep dive into the whole theory of technical analysis and price action and risk management along with psychology of trading, the Millionaire Trader Club is the perfect place to be. So, two things for you. If you have not subscribed to Roaring Bulls yet, subscribe to the channel right now and hit that bell notification icon, and consider subscribing to the Millionaire Trader Club just for once, and you will fall in love with the content that we have over here. You'll fall in love with the community. You'll fall in love with the feel of the community, because Roaring Bulls or the Millionaire Trader Club is not a place where we are just here to become millionaires overnight. We are here to be on a journey together of being more empowered towards trading, of being more knowledgeable towards trading, because a lot of people are jumping into stock market. A lot of Indian population is jumping into the stock market without having any proper knowledge about how stock market functions or how intraday trading functions, and they're just jumping because they see a lot of people on social media posting big MTMs, big profit statements. I just want to ask those people, like, from where do actually these profits come? Like, every single day if you're making 2 lakh 3 lakh rupees, like, you must be a billionaire by now, because 1 year 2 lakh 3 lakh profits a day, it's a great thing. If you're doing that, congratulations. If you're not doing that, at least don't misguide the people, right? So anyways, we at Roaring Bulls actually set realistic expectations in your mind, and we never ever promise you unrealistic returns, because that cannot happen in stock market. That's once in a blue moon thing. तुक्का लग गया तो बात अलग है. सच्चाई तो यही है कि अगर आप रियलिस्टिक रिटर्न्स टारगेट करेंगे तो स्टॉक मार्केट इज द मोस्ट वंडरफुल प्लेस टू मेक मनी सिटिंग एट द कंफर्ट ऑफ योर होम. सो that's an amazing thing to do, right? So I hope you enjoyed this whole video, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a like, and share this video with your fellow traders and family members. It would help us to reach out more traders and more people, and it will help us to create more awareness and make this unorganized space, an organized space. We at Roaring Bulls have an objective of making people aware about the benefits of trading, but in the right way. Okay, so I hope that you will join us on this amazing journey of trading and stock market. And I hope you have enjoyed the video. This is Pratkash Pargav. Thank you for listening to me. You are watching Roaring Bulls, the stock market show.